Is zucchini a fruit or a vegetable? The answer might surprise you, and it's more complicated than you think. While this green, versatile staple has been gracing tables for centuries, it's only recently become a darling of American kitchens. From being spiralized into zoodles, to starring in roasted sides, baked goods, or simply grilled with a drizzle of olive oil, zucchini's mild flavor and adaptability make it a crowd favorite. But here's where it gets controversial. Botanically, zucchini is a fruit because it develops from the plant's flower and contains seeds. Yet in kitchens and grocery stores, it's universally treated as a vegetable. So which is it? And does it even matter? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is zucchini? Zucchini is a type of summer squash belonging to the Cucurbitaceae family, which includes cucumbers, pumpkins, and melons. Its mild taste, low calorie count, and ability to absorb flavors from herbs, oils, and spices make it a go-to ingredient for both home cooks and chefs. Caroline Susie, a registered dietitian, highlights its high water content, which not only keeps it hydrating, but also makes it a refreshing addition to any meal. Its thin, edible skin and tender texture further add to its appeal, making it easy to prepare in countless ways. But here's the part most people miss. While zucchini is more universally loved than stronger-tasting veggies like broccoli or kale, its botanical classification as a fruit often sparks debate. Lisa Young, a registered dietitian nutritionist, explains, "It's a fruit in the scientific sense, but in culinary terms, it's a vegetable." This duality is part of what makes zucchini so fascinating. Grown in temperate climates across countries like China, Spain, Turkey, Mexico, and the US, zucchini thrives during midsummer to early fall. Most are harvested when they're 6 to 10 inches long, ensuring tender skin and small seeds. Often find themselves with a surplus, leading to the age-old tradition of gifting zucchini by the basketful. Is zucchini good for you? Absolutely, but with a few caveats. Packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, and potassium, zucchini supports immune health, bone strength, and heart health. It's also rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect vision as we age. Plus, its 2 grams of fiber per medium zucchini aid digestion, improve satiety, and support gut health. Susie adds, "The fiber and water content help you feel full on fewer calories, making it a great choice for weight management." But here's where it gets tricky. Can you eat zucchini every day? For most people, yes, but moderation is key. Its high fiber content can cause bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort, especially for those with sensitive systems like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Rarely, zucchini can develop a bitter taste due to cucurbitacins, which may cause nausea if consumed in large amounts. Additionally, its oxalate content could contribute to kidney stone formation in some individuals, particularly those with a history of calcium oxalate stones. So, is zucchini a fruit or a vegetable? The answer depends on who you ask, and that's part of its charm. Whether you call it a fruit or a veggie, there's no denying its nutritional value and culinary versatility. As Young puts it, zucchini is an excellent, nutrient-rich choice. Saute it, grill it, or bake it, just enjoy it. Now, here's a thought-provoking question for you. Does it matter if zucchini is a fruit or a vegetable, as long as it's healthy and delicious? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take on this age-old debate.